Alrighty, gang, in this video we're going to go over the differences between endothermic versus endothermic reactions. And very briefly, the enthalpy change is equal to the heat transferred. So this is true for constant pressure processes, for pressure volume work only processes, so no electrical or other type of work or whatnot, and also for closed systems as well. So we'll start off with exothermic reactions. Exothermic reactions have a delta H that's less than 0. It's negative, so the system loses heat and the surroundings will gain heat. An endothermic reaction is the opposite, where the enthalpy change is greater than 0, so we have heat transfer going into the system because it's positive, and as a result, the surroundings lose heat as we pump it into the system. Okay, so for chemical reactions, this is a chemical reaction right here. We have sodium hydroxide reacting and breaking up into its ions in solution. And the delta H for this reaction is negative 44 kilojoules per mole. It's negative, which means it's exothermic. If it's exothermic, then we have heat transfer going away from the system out into the surroundings. So there's energy being released as heat. And as a result, the flask gets hotter because we're feeling that heat transfer that's coming out of it. Conversely, the other type of reaction is one which the delta H is greater than 0. And if it's greater than 0, then this is an endothermic reaction. And if it's an endothermic reaction, then we have heat transfer going into the system. There's energy being absorbed as heat. And as a result, the flask gets colder. All right, that's it. That's the difference between endo and exothermic reactions. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again. I've got tons of other videos in thermodynamics, so check them out. Cheers.